This is no regular coffee commercial. This one, it's a little different.
Oh, man, I really need some coffee.
Oh, hey, Chad.
Oh, hey, Christy, how are you doing today?
Doing coffee?
Yes, ma'am.
I already got mine.
I see that. Man, that's some good memories.
That smells good. Can I get some?
Sure thing. And there you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It tastes so good.
I know, let's face it, Cafe Leo's just the greatest.
If you purchase your Cafe Leo package today, you will receive a St. Leo mug. Also, all of the proceeds go to St. Leo University Student Body.